to Cobra Classics and our next project. In 1958, Ariel, a British manufacturer, brought out the Ariel leader. This is actually a 1960 Ariel leader, as you can see here. But in 1959 they also brought out a cheaper stripped down version which was called the Ariel Arrow, and in 1963 they brought out one called the Ariel Arrow Sport, which was known affectionately as the Golden Arrow, and that's our next project. Hi, and as I was saying, our project, which is the Golden Arrow, and this is how it has turned up to us. As you can see, somebody has dismantled it and they started restoring it very badly, so it's our task to rebuild this back into a Golden Arrow. The bike was called a Golden Arrow simply because it had gold features. It had a gold tank, or dummy tank really. As you can see, there's no petrol tank there. The petrol tank is actually inside the frame. I don't know if you can pick that up in the camera. It also had a gold tail lamp as well where the number plate went. But as you can see, somebody had, as I say, dismantled it, started putting it together, and it'll be Cobra Classics' task to rebuild this bike. We'll be building from basically scratch. This engine came to us, the crank in it was actually ruined, so we'll send that away and get that fixed. And all the paintwork, this colour that has been painted in is actually not the correct colour for a Golden Arrow. So again, this will all be stripped back and painted, and various other elements will be updated and changed. New wheels, new hubs, or sorry, not new hubs, but the hubs will be redone and all sorted out. So we have quite a big task in front of us. So over the next weeks and months, follow us on YouTube, Twitter and Facebook, and you can see how this bike develops and eventually rolls off this ramp. Thank you.